afternoon, everybody. Today I am showing you how to do keema balls. I am from Jhatpat Banjan. I don't know whether you all see it, but I think if you see it and comment, then I will be happy. Then I will understand that you are judging me. So anyway, I'm starting with keema balls. This is keema. I drained the water completely. You should drain the water completely. There shouldn't be any water. And I'm giving salt, sugar, and I've blended. I've shown you that one small onion and 10 to 12 cloves, garlic cloves, and dhania pata I have given, coriander leaves, and ginger. So 4 things I have given: onion, garlic cloves 10 or 12, and coriander leaves blended with it, and ginger. Small ginger and all that, not very big, small quantity. And this is the size of ginger, and 1 onion, and I told you how many cloves, and dhania pata according to your need. So I first gave sugar and salt. Now you have to give little chili, Kashmiri chili powder. I'm giving 1 and 2 teaspoons. This you can take 1.5 teaspoon because this teaspoon is small, and haldi less amount, little half teaspoon. So you have to, now you give little of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. You can give maida and all that, but I am giving besan flour. I'm giving besan flour. I think I prefer this. You can give maida, no problem, but I prefer besan. So you have to see whether it is coming. The ball is coming. I think it's okay. Little you can give little more, but because this you should understand how much you have to give. This I can't say. According to the need of the keema. So now if you use your hand is better. In the meantime, I have cut 1 big onion and again 10 of 12 garlic cloves and ginger and tomato, and 3 or 4 it is okay now, I think so. See, it's okay now. So I have to fry it. Now I will fry it. So in the meantime, I have to go to the kitchen now to fry it. So I have told you what are things I have given. Will I repeat it? If you want, I can repeat it. First, I have blended with small onion, ginger, garlic cloves, 10 or 12, and coriander leaves. Then, and the chicken keema we should not have any water. You have to drain it with water. If there's any water, you have to drain it. And then you add salt, sugar, and the blended things you should be given here. And a little of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 of teaspoon of chili powder, and haldi, 1 teaspoon of half teaspoon of haldi, and coriander powder. No, jeera powder. Don't have coriander powder. Jeera powder. Sorry, this is jeera powder. Okay, you don't have the coriander powder. You can give mustard oil or white oil, no problem. But I am giving mustard oil. First, you have to fry it according to your size. You can use any size, but I am using not very small, not very big. Normal size, so that you can give 2 will be enough. I'll show you how big and small I have done it. See, I have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 balls I have made. If you want to do smaller, you can do smaller. So no problem, but I have done this size. And when I start, balls. Slowly you should give. I've given only 4. So when it will be like brown like this, slightly, okay. So for 250, there are 11 balls. So you can make it small if you want to. So no problem. See, I have done it. So now you give jeera 1 teaspoon jeera, and 3 green chili, and 6 potato cut into small pieces. It is optional. If you don't want to give potato, no problem. But high you prefer that you give potato, but it's not compulsory. If you don't give, no problem. This is how I do keema balls, chicken keema balls. And it's 250 gram it is, and the balls I have made, 11 balls I have made. If you want to do smaller, then 12, 13, 14, 15, 19. Give little salt in it. Easier to keep it down. Little 1/4. So now I told you 1 big onion, 1 tomato, 10 garlic cloves, ginger. Here I have not given coriander leaves. Again I am repeating it. I I'm giving one big onion, tomato, ginger, garlic. Garlic 10 inches as usual like this. I'm lowering the flame. With Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon heaped, and 1 teaspoon haldi. I gave little haldi when I did the keema balls, but here I'm haldi little more than usual. I'm giving little more oil, mustard oil, little more. I'm giving sugar, 1 teaspoon, little salt in it. Let the onion, let the smell come. Here I am giving coriander powder. There I am never giving coriander powder, but here I am giving coriander powder and for little of jeera powder. Little of jeera powder. Little water where I blend it, there only I add water. Oil is coming. Little oil is coming. Little more. See, dhania pata I kept in water because there is something mud and all that. I didn't wash. You have always keep in water before even cutting or anyway. It's the last, should be given last. The oil is coming. Can you see it? Can you see the oil? Oil is coming. Now give water. See, in the mixie only I gave little water. This water is given because when you add boils, chicken in this boil, little more water is needed because the water thickens. The potato is soaking now. See? No problem. When it starts boiling, just add the boils and see the color. Can you see the color? See. Start boiling. Okay. Boils. When you start boiling, give the boils. And garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon. Try it, I think you will like it. and subscribe it so that I get the notification, and all the dishes I do will go to you. You can see it. And one teaspoon of ghee. Little more, I'm giving little more. I'll give 1 teaspoon. So see, the balls have not been broken, all in